Hi guys, happy Friday the 13th. Today we're going to Dizon and we're here at Dizon, Lipatambo from Lolo Tony's house. And also we're gonna meet him. We're here at Marymount Academy Insular Life Elevator from school. We're going to the ground floor to 13th floor. Okay, we're here at the 13th floor. Let's get Mama Mary. And Miss Loopsy helps me and she got me to Mama Mary. And let's go to the 13th floor to ground floor. What's your Lolo Tony's house again? From Twilight Zone, from Halloween Okay, let's go. Okay, so there we are at Tower of Terror, Twilight Zone, Halloween Sim, WDW, Walt Disney World Studios. So, me and Miss Lucy, we are not very glad we get the channel yet. Since we're not get the channel yet, I fell down. And we're here at Lolo Tony's house again. Okay, I got the channel here already. Me and Miss Lipsy puts down here and it looks good. Fishing. Okay, alis na kami. Pupunta tayo ng Northbound. Goodbye, Lolo Tony's house, and we're here again at Marinata Academy High School of Insular Life Elevator School. Okay, so we're gonna be inside, and also we're going to the ground floor to 13th floor. Okay, so we're here at the 13th floor. Let's see how Mary looks. Oh, it looks so good. She's cute. Let's go down to the ground floor. We are here at Lolo Tony's house and we're gonna check inside, and also we're going to see here from number 16, so 17 periods. We're here at 18th days of checking in here. Oh, this is Lolo Tony's house from Barangay Lizar Lipatombo village. And also, let's wait for him to open. Okay, I'm in here. Well, since I'm outside of the terrace, so we're here. And they're checking in here. Okay, we're checking inside. We're Lolo Tony's house. It looks nice and beautiful. Let's see how Freddy will paint it. Oh wow, she's so cute. And we're outside and we're going home in Paranaque, Manila from the Philippines. Lolo Tony's house, and we're here at SLEX Northbound from Manila. We like the car because it looks so nice. I like it. It's specifically a cool car or Mitsubishi Lancer. I love it. And there's a Skyline from Highway Cars. It looks adorable. Hi guys, I am home now. I'm in my room for a rest. It's Friday the 13th, so let's go to sleep. Happy Friday the 13th, and we're here again. Happy Friday. Friday the 13th, everybody. I love you so much. Thank you for sharing me. Like and subscribe for my channel. And goodbye and see you soon.